I have a build of a flying car coming up, and I knew I needed to make it fly on like a lucite bar or something. So I cut that, and then I needed to make a diorama because you just can't have that lucite bar. So those of you who are familiar with the BP Custom Creations YouTube channel are going to recognize this build because all of this is stolen from one of his videos. Ben does a fantastic job, and I pretty much had his video playing in the background as I was working on this thing. I would pause it as I was doing this. I had a lot of the stuff I needed already. I had that Eileen's glue that you just see me throwing on there, the PVA. I needed to get the cork, so off Amazon they had 4 sheets of like 1-foot square cork delivered to my door for $4. Can't beat that. The CD idea I stole from Lee over at TimeRider's Wee Little Cars because the CD size is perfect for something like this. And the Mod Podge I bought like, I don't know, a year ago. My wife and I used to talk about Mod Podge. And the craft paints she had. So I pretty much had everything I need. I have to admit, I had to get those brushes. The brush you see me using there, I did need to run and pick up those bigger brushes, but that was about it, you know? So I just broke up the cork, glued it down to the CD, mixed up the black craft paint in with some of the Mod Podge, just painted it on there. After the cork had glued to the CD, after that had dried, made the cracks a little bit wider. So when I stuck it down, I spaced out the cork a little bit. And then it's just a matter of dry brushing. I had this gray craft paint, which if I didn't, I easily could have made out of white and black. But I happen to have gray. So it couldn't have been any easier. And I gotta tell you, this was a freaking blast to do. I had so much fun making this thing. It was a stupid amount of fun. I dry brushed this. I wanted the cracks to still show. And, you can see it there. And then I basically painted stripes on the road. Don't look too closely at that car because that ends up being the other half of this project that you're going to see soon. But I didn't want to tack this diorama into that build video because, to be honest, that build video is way too freaking long already. And I sometimes feel like you guys are way too kind suffering through these videos as it is. So I didn't want to punish you with even more. So I broke this diorama chunk off. And this was a kick. It's just a matter of using these craft paints on this cork base. And I have to tell you, I'm going to be doing another one of these very soon. I have it planned for the upcoming Three Blind Mice Truck the Wasteland build. And if you saw the opening picture or the illustration that's on that announcement video on the Three Blind Mice Diecast channel, that coloring, that kind of ominous green, darkish look with the cracks in the ground, I'm going to go for that on one of these little CDs with cork. I might even do that later today. They're just a lot of fun. I was shocked at how much fun this was. Easy fun. Stress-free fun. So if you've thought about doing dioramas and just thought it was beyond you, get some cork, get some glue, get some craft paint. You probably have all of them already, or a healthy amount of them already. And have fun. I don't want to go on too much about it, but it was fun. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you're thinking about doing one of these, please do head over to Ben's channel and Dewey's channels. I've got links to those in the description for the video. Thanks to both of those guys for all of their inspiration in doing these. And everybody, stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.